Disable Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can disable Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to disable your Instagram account, all you have to do is now you can do it from the Instagram app itself. So open the Instagram app here, and then after that tap the profile icon, tap the three lines option from the top right, then go to the option called Account Center. Once you go to Account Center, scroll down, go to option known as Personal Details and tap on it, and then tap on Account Ownership and Control, and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. And from here you can just tap on your Instagram account you want to deactivate, and deactivate account will be selected by default. So if you want to delete it you can do that, but disabling simply means you want to temporarily deactivate it. So I will advise you to simply leave it at that, and after you do that you want to simply make sure to tap the continue option from the bottom. Select a reason as to why you would like to go ahead and then deactivate your account, and enter your password to confirm the changes, and your Instagram account will get successfully disabled. This way you will be able to disable Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.